Hey, good Monday afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard our Monday Market Outlook here at TOPGUN Options. I'm Wiz. I'm Matthew Buckley, man. I'm the founder, CEO here at TOPGUN Options. We knocked out session one of our full week of live trading and training. It's called Full Throttle. If you didn't get a chance to attend, man, it was action-packed. I got your six covered, though. Head to go.topgunoptions.com/FT-replay. That stands for Full Throttle -replay. And session one is right there, folks. Action-packed. Anything happened this weekend? Man, I said the same thing last Monday jokingly. Hey, boring weekend, right? Well, Donald Trump almost had his head blown off by an assassin's bullet. And then this morning, hey, anything happened this weekend? Yeah, just a coup in the Democratic Party and Joe Biden not running for re-election. Man, absolute insanity. I'm going to show you how you can potentially profit all of this insanity, folks. Check this out. We have, look at that, as of this afternoon, 573 people registered for this event. We are only taking 50. I do these free sessions once a quarter, folks, and then we close the doors and we get back to work and trading and having fun here. So if 10% of these people sign up, folks, it's over with. So watch the replay, session one, right here. You can scroll down and start taking a look at the memberships right now. Once we hit 50, we're done. Now, if we hit 50 before the last brief on Thursday, I'll still do all the rest of the briefs. Why? Because I invited you, and it would be rude not to. If you haven't gotten a chance to register for the free briefs the rest of the week, head to go.topgunoptions.com/full-throttle. You do not want to miss the rest of the week. We're going to talk about getting long-term bullish on the financials tomorrow without coming out of pocket a lot of money. No offense, trading stocks is for chumps. Why buy the cow when you can get the milk for free? If it flies, floats, or fornicates, or faces the ocean, you rent it. Period. So tomorrow we're going to take a look at the financials. Wednesday, we might take a look at investing to save and change lives. And then Thursday, it's not part of Full Throttle, but a lot of you are interested in our solo Amazon service. We'll take a look at what I call the Death Star, the only stock you need to own for the rest of your life. Okay, so if you're not registered, do it right now. After you register, the link you get is going to be the same link to get into all the briefs, okay? So don't freak out about any links or anything like that, okay? So again, we're only taking 10% of the people that are registered. You don't get your membership. You're going to have to wait until the next quarter, okay? Today, what did we cover? Well, take a look over here in our members area. First of all, what else did I do today? Look at this, folks. This morning, 5 hours ago in the trade alert thread, what did I do? I did a bull put spread. The 54.50, 55.35, just got out of it for 15 cents. That is a nice, it's about 92%, about a 92% profit rate. Hey, take a look at this. Let's go to 3 days here. Look at that. Sent that trade out right there. Boom. And then I just posted, look at that. What time is it? 3:54. Look at that. 3:54. I said, you know what? Pigs get, look at that. New comment right there, folks. 8 minutes ago. What time is it down here? 3:07. It is 3:07, 8 minutes ago. I posted that. What happened? Right there is where I said, you know what? Pigs get slaughtered. We covered this in our live trade brief today. I said, if I'm looking at a 70, 80, 90% profit on the credit I take in a credit spread, I close it. Pigs get slaughtered. Why? What could happen? Where was the bull put spread? Down here. 50, 55, 40. With my luck, in the next, 52 minutes, the S&P 500 could implode and go through 55.40. That's a distinct possibility, folks. I've seen it. Like I said in session one this morning, and I'll say it again, and I just said it a minute ago, but I have to repeat it. Do not turn a 70, 80, 90% winning trade into a 100% loser. Pigs get slaughtered. So there you go. I potentially paid for a full year of membership in one trade today. Boom. And it's posted right there. Now, the other trade that we looked at was a bullish double vertical. You see it right here, posted 3 hours ago in trade alerts. A bullish double vertical out to September, the middle of September. What's a bullish double vertical? You got to join, folks, and find out. But ladies and gentlemen, this trade is going to print money when, not if, Jerome Powell at the Fed cuts interest rates. This trade is The max potential loss in case between now and September the market implodes is $2,600. Your risk is limited. That's it. Now, if, as I predict, the market's going to have a rip your face off rally between now and the Fed meeting in September, it goes up, you make about $5,000. That's a pretty good risk to reward ratio right down there, almost 1 to 2. That's a pretty awesome trade, okay? And if you missed the brief, make sure you watch the replay. Like I said, it's right there on the replay page. I absolutely am convinced that between now and the September Fed meeting, and by the way, the election, you're not going to hear any more awful, you haven't anyway this year, because what? You're not going to hear any bad macroeconomic info, folks. Look at this. Milder inflation opens door wider to September rate cut. What are you talking about, man? Inflation is stuck up here raging at 3%. Yeah, but we brought it down from 9.1%. Are you people high? Other than that, Mrs. Kennedy, how was the parade? So we got inflation down from 9.1 to 3. It is stuck here, hovering up in the 3s, man. Regular Americans are burning to death from inflation, okay? Doesn't matter. Jerome Powell signals rate cut coming into view, but declines to say when. Well, the Fed funds futures rate, say that 10 times fast, predicts as of me jumping on the air, let me look, about a 95% probability, I'm not going to say certainty, 95% probability that Jerome Powell and the Fed cuts rates in September. Look at the rip your face off rally the market has seen since December, early December, when Jerome Powell said, you know what, we might cut some rates next year. Rip your face off rally. Now, that's what happened to the market when he talked about maybe cutting interest rates sometime in the distant future. We're in the distant future, folks. It's more than halfway through 2024. Haven't seen a rate cut yet. Now, there is a threat, and I briefed this in the brief. You have to watch. I said it's a whizism, it's a Wall Streetism. We might buy the rumor and sell the news, meaning the rumor of a rate cut is a 9-month rally. The actual getting the rate cut, we might sell off. That's a distinct possibility. Actually, tomorrow, I think when we talk about the financials, I'm going to brief a potential hedge. Whiz, between now and the election, I think it's going to be an absolute shit show. Market's going to implode. Bad things are going to happen. You want to attend tomorrow's brief because I'm going to show you how to potentially profit as the market implodes. That's the difference between me and a chump stock trader. You make money 3 ways buying a stock, don't you? Buy, hope, and pray. You buy the stock, you hope it goes up. If it doesn't, you pray. Wrong. As an options trader, I can make money no matter what direction a stock is going, up, down, or sideways. And I can train you how to do that. Last week, we knocked out 6 options weapon school training sessions. These things are worth their weight in gold. All 6 of these sessions are brand new. I just did them over the past 2 weeks. A lot of you were in there, action-packed. You don't know what an option is? This is where you start. You know what an option is and you think you're good? I'll make you better. You also start here. Go through the options weapon school training and get up to speed. Make sure you download your manuals too, folks. Look, scroll up here, download your workbooks. We have primary, intermediate, and advanced workbooks for you to download. They're down here, over here on the right. Intermediate, your options pocket checklist, the trade plan, the primary, the advanced workbook. These are worth their weight in gold. Okay? All right, I got to get going one more time. Register for tomorrow's brief. If you haven't, go.topgunoptions.com/full-throttle. If you're already registered and you just missed the brief this morning, it's /FT-replay. All the replays are going to be posted on this page, okay, throughout the rest of the week. And a little bit of the flight schedule is over here on the right, okay? All right, folks, I got to go. Have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you're hedged. Fights on. Namaste. And basi basi. I'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. in the live briefing room. Cheers.